Now I'll introduce our whiteboard pen and tools to you. The pen are just like this picture. It could be specially mentioned that the double-edged pen should be used with this accessory. And this pen have two edge. With one edge, it can write with white, and with the other edge, it's another color and white. It's double-edged pen feature. And eraser. We have 3-size eraser. It's also supported to clear all with one slide. Then, this feature is for single point touch and multi-point touch. Our whiteboard supports 30 points writing at most, and at the same time. Then, select. You can write something first. Like horn, and choose select to select horn. And you can do some operation with it like delete, copy and paste, search. Search supports search on Chrome, YouTube, or Wikipedia, and reverse mirror. And you can change its color, and writing recognition, or with those two features. Those two features are AI feature, and I will mention soon. There are also some math tools and some figures for you to use for education use or other use. Then we also have a smart table, and you can insert a table into the whiteboard. And you can slide to add or cancel the row and also the column. Then in the toolbox, there are several features to use. It supports insert files like image, video, PDF, and so on files into the whiteboard, and supports search, sticky, mind map, flowchart, and split screen. Our split screen supports 6 split screen at the same time. Each part won't disturb the other part. And also some search in YouTube, files transfer, PDF annotation, and the text insert. It should be mentioned that we have some subject tools for education scenario for teachers to use, like periodic table, planet, and some math tools like formula and the function images. You can insert function into here, and it will show you the image. You can see. There's also some music tool like piano and kalimba. And then we have feature 19. It's whiteboard collaboration. It supports you to share whiteboard contents in real time between Horin interactive flat panel. It supports 8 panels in one meeting room at the same time. And 3 of them can share video and voices. And there is a share and that supports you to share contents you wrote here via QR code and print or share via email. And in here, you can edit pages and change pages quickly. Our new whiteboard supports 30 pages at the same time. And the last feature of our whiteboard is convenient whiteboard. When you turn the switch on, you can call out whiteboard in any pages, like settings, you can call out whiteboard and right here.